Welcome to the Richter Show, and here I am arriving at the Yogyakarta Airport in Indonesia. I was surprised on how shiny everything was, from the floors to the walls. And here is the carousel area where you come and pick up your luggage. Everything again very shiny, very clean. It's very spacious as well. And this is actually after you grab your luggage. Now this is the main entrance of the airport itself, and I was actually impressed by the amount of decoration that was actually in front of the airport itself. And another horse carriage. Here are more horse carriages. The amount of detail in it was actually just amazing and outstanding. And I'm gonna walk over here to the other horse carriage as well. It's the type of things that you actually see in other countries that actually are just truly amazing. And of course I had to take a bit of a selfie in front of these to show that I was actually there. Pretty cool and pretty neat to see as a first impression once you actually get out of the airport. Now over here, I'm going to show you from the point where I got into the actual train station, and I'm going to be heading over to the airport. This is more or less how it looks like. Now I'm already inside, obviously. All the seats are the same. As far as I got told, there wasn't really a first class or second class. This is just a view from the window. And it was actually a bit empty though. I actually had a lot of leg room from what you can see. And I got told that this is actually one of the fastest trains they have. And once again, I'm already sitting, and it's actually a comfy seat, let me tell you. I didn't have anybody next to me, so it made it even more comfortable, per se. Now I'm just looking out at the view as I head to the airport from the city itself. This is more or less what you will see on the ride out. A lot of vegetation, a lot of small little villages along the way. It's actually quite unique and interesting infrastructures that they have there, and the way that people live. Now they had some farm fields in this area, which was also fun to watch, to see something different. Now I'm gonna leave the actual train itself, and we already arrived at the airport. That's the view of the airport itself. It's easy to actually navigate because everybody's basically going in one direction, and there's a lot of signs that tell you basically where to go. Most people are already there for the airport itself to get on a flight. Here's a map of the train station. From this point, there really wasn't any security or so that you had to check through. You just still kept going to your destination of the airport. Now here are some transformers. A lot of decorations. There was a music group over there. And more sculptures. Really interesting airport, actually. A lot to see and a lot to look at. And for some reason they had dinosaurs too. Once again, it's very unique. And this is an overview from the pickup area. I was down there on the previous clips. And here's the name itself, Yogyakarta International Airport, where everybody was taking a picture there. And more of a pickup area. There was also a street performer back there, or more like an airport performer. And this is actually where you check in at the airport. That's where the check-in counters are, and some self check-in machines as well. Here's a view of how it looks like when you enter. There's a lot of space actually, and everything is just extremely shiny. I was just very impressed on that. Now this is right after you go to the check-in point. Now where the actual terminals are. It didn't seem to have a lot of people, at least when I was there. So that makes it a little more comfortable when you're walking around and looking at a place to sit. Now I'm going to walk over here to show you where the plane is. To show you a little bit of the runway. That's actually Lions Air over there. That's, as far as I know, it's an Indonesian airline. Very affordable. A lot of shops around. Just like a typical airport, which is good. Now this is the actual lounge area, which I accessed using the priority pass. So I'll show you a little bit around it. It's the Concordia Air Lounge. Very easy to get to and navigate. It's not that big really. The dining area. And this is a view from the actual lounge itself of the airport. That's where we came through. More comfortable seating. Food at the end. And that's me as always, showing you that I'm in the lounge. Now this is some of the food that I got at the lounge itself. Some kind of dessert. And it's all a bit of a buffet. You get everything up there. And once again, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and you have an idea of how the Yogyakarta airport looks like and how to get there. So if you like videos like these, don't forget to like and subscribe here only on The Richter Show. See you on the next airport vlog review.
Shout out to the host, the Richter. This the Richter Show, the Richter Show.